the city of Hyderabad, and since we have the privilege to have a city over there, so we have a significant number or amount of skilled people who are educated, who take into different fields of life, like we have doctors, we have engineers, we have technicians, we have labor, which is a skilled labor as well, we have craftsmen, we have farmers, or we have people from all walks of life who are capable of doing. And they have the ability to work. They are young enough, they are energetic, and they are independent to work. So that is another potential, another power or capacity that we have. Then incentives. With that metropolis city, what can we get? Why do we want to have it? It will help us to have social mobilization. In a way, our assets will not be drained out, or rather will be consumed. Like, whatever assets do we have, whatever resources do we have, you'll be able to consume it. And for example, our brain drain would not happen, and the society or the city could be a consumer-oriented society, producer-oriented society rather than a consumer-oriented society. So rather than taking, we'll be able to give something, and that would bring in more prosperity into the area. Then what resources do we have? We have human resources, skilled labor in all fields. We have land. We have fertile land. We have great more area of land available that can be utilized for different projects on there. Then we have another exclusive resource, that is wind power or wind resource or energy, and that is potential to be converted into energy. Like wind is the potential energy that we have if it is properly
continuous source in the Hyderabad.
Yeah,
because of its flow of the wind is present.
Yeah, because of its elite iron. And then we have sweet water, we have rocks, which is a potential construction material. We do have certain industries which are complementary to that construction
and
material.
Other precious material also can be found there.
Yeah.
There is a British
limestone.
The limestones are present in abundance there.
So we have good construction material that can be properly conserved or utilized. Then we have infrastructure in Hyderabad, which is primarily let down. Like Hyderabad is not completely a village which needs to be built from the basic, but it does have certain infrastructure which, if it is properly utilized, could lead us to more progress. Then action plan, how we can do it actually, by channelizing the skills or skilled labor, utilizing our resources. That's what is our slogan. And that will be done with a deliberate dialogue. Starting with the deliberate dialogue, we will persuade the skilled